Hello, and thank you so much for joining me. This is Maxi Limit. So this is part 2 of the series that I started a few days ago. If you have not watched the part 1, please go and do so. I will put the video on the card somewhere here or probably there. So it's important for you to watch that before coming to this part. Today, basically, we are gonna try to open this computer and see what we have inside. Okay, first we are gonna set it up. Eventually we're gonna set it up because as you can see, I already put the mouse and the keyboard together, and then we're gonna see how the RGB lights is and what exactly we have inside of this PC. We're also gonna look and see if the cable management is good, and my main concern, like I said on my previous video, was how the heat are gonna come out from this PC. This is really my main concern because this is very close computer, and I hope it does not heat up too much. Again, if you are not yet subscribed, please go and do so. Just one click and you'll be subscribed. It will just take you 1 second. It's very important. Just go and do so. If you are a returning subscriber, I really appreciate the support. Without further ado, let's start. Okay, so we are back inside of the PC, and as you can see, it's just beautiful. I still don't know why I don't have the RGB light in yet, but definitely I'm gonna dig in and then see if we can find a way to make it happen. Oh, there we go. Ooh, we have some beautiful colors now, and yeah, it's amazing. As you can see, we could do some this is good, this is good. I'm still trying to find a way to change the color. Everything lights up, and it's amazing. We can even change the color here, which is good. It is very good. We can dim it, I'm sure. Let me turn off my light. Alright, there you go. As you can see, we can actually dim it. Let me bring the camera closer. Okay, so we can dim it, and then we can turn it off. What did I do? So the light is off. Okay, here we go. You see, this is just amazing. But overall, it is amazing. Okay, it's very amazing. I don't know if the back has some color, but I don't think the back has some in it. So it's good. It's good. This is off. Pause. Ooh, it's blinking. Let me zoom in. This is just amazing. This is, you see, it's blinking now, and we can actually change the color. We can try to see breathe. It goes down, it goes up. It's like it's breathing. This is very good. And the spectrum, it's just changed random colors. That is it for the colors. So the setup is complete. Now we are going to turn it on and see how everything is. So we're going to press the button. There we go. And as you can see, during the setup, you know that the color changes a little bit. There's so many different colors you can choose, so many ways you can interact with the color. It's just amazing. Okay, and then everything is on. Now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna move the camera. We're gonna go inside and see how things are. And we already saw the back of this PC before with multiple USB, and as you can see, we have the graphic card, you have the power supply, So we have a whole bunch of input here, and then again there we go. So to open it, basically there was a screw here that are unscrewed, and then that's it. From there we just have to pop this. There's a little handle there. You pop it in, and then you can see this will pop out. Okay, and then right there we could open it and kind of lift it up, and then there we go. We're gonna drop it off here, and this is how it is inside. As you can see, it's very, very compact, very, very compact. I really don't like this. Yeah, so like I was saying, it's very, very compact. I don't like it too much. We have the hard disk here. I think it's 2 terabyte, and probably we have the SSD in there somewhere. I think we can also open this. Let me see how I can open it. I'm gonna put the camera down, and then we're gonna try to do that. Okay. If I'm not mistaken, we have to just pull something here. This is opened, and you're gonna pull this. Let me put the camera down. Okay, so here we go. Like I was saying, we do need to open this. I think we have to pull somewhere to open it. There's a lock here. I already lock it. And then we have to pull here. As you can see, slowly we pull, make sure that the computer does not move, and then we can open this completely here. Okay, let me bring the camera again closer. So as you can see, this is the power supply. Now I don't know why someone will put the power supply there like this. And inside, then we have the CPU, and then originally it looks like the CPU was kind of inside, and then the power supply on top of it. So I don't know how this actually was breathing, because the air is supposed to come out, but it looks like it was covered. We have a fan on top there. I'm sorry, it's kind of dark here, but you have we have a fan on top of there that's maybe removing the air outside, and we have the GPU here with some RGB lighting. I guess it's amazing. We have a 2 power cable that gets in, and overall it's already hot, and the PC is barely not doing anything. It's hot. It's very hot. So I'm assuming when I start playing game, this is gonna be a disaster. I just run it quickly, and then I'm having a 86.8 megahash per second, and this is working fine. I guess it's not hard. This is just basic setting, low setting. I kind of overclock it a little bit, but it consumes a lot. Consuming 214 watt. This is kind of a lot. I'm gonna tune it down a little bit, and then maybe we can do an update video about it. But this is it. This is the Alienware Aurora R12, and the graphic card is kind of hot. Yeah. Anyway, I will have to decide whether I have to give this back or not. But for the meantime, I'm not that fan of it. All right. Thank you so much for watching. This is Maxi Limit signing out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And check out my next video about playing game on it, and then we're gonna decide from there. Bye-bye.